Thing's dull as ever. When you're designing your puzzle pieces, you're going to want them to hook around on the edges so that these pieces don't fall out. If you don't put them on there right or get them hooked in there, like this piece here, it fits in there and it'll stay in there, but it's got a little hook in it. So anytime you're designing your pieces, you want them with a little hook so that they stay together.
Another thing that you want to remember when creating your design is that you want to add some wavy layers to the puzzle pieces. Because if we just cut up these in flat layers, you could stack identical pieces on top of each other with really no challenge. So adding these waves is a really good way to add a deeper layer of complexity to your puzzle.
Secret weapon, duct tape.
Are you sure it's not back?